Here's something that blew my mind when I first learned about crypto. A crypto wallet doesn't actually store your cryptocurrency. I know that sounds completely backwards, right? But this one misconception is costing people millions of dollars every single year. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this matters for your financial security. Every day, I see horror stories. Lost $50,000 because I forgot my password. Hacker drained my entire portfolio. Exchange went bankrupt. My crypto is gone forever. But here's the thing most people don't realize. These disasters happen because people don't understand the fundamental difference between being your own bank and trusting someone else to be your bank. For the first time in human history, you can have complete control over your money. No banks, no intermediaries, no sorry, your account is frozen. But with great power comes great responsibility. And that's where crypto wallets come in. Okay, let's break this down super simply. Think of your cryptocurrency like money in a safety deposit box at a bank. The crypto itself, it lives on something called the blockchain. Think of that as the world's most secure vault system. Your crypto wallet is basically your key to that safety deposit box. It doesn't hold your money, it holds the special code called a private key that proves you own what's in the box. Now, there are two main types of wallets, and this is where it gets really important. Hot wallets are connected to the internet 24/7. Think MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or any app on your phone. They're incredibly convenient. You can send crypto, buy NFTs, or trade instantly. But here's the catch, because they're always online. They're like carrying cash in your back pocket while walking through a crowded marketplace. Convenient, yes. Safe for large amounts, not really. Hackers can potentially access them through malware, phishing attacks, or if someone gets your password. This is why I never keep more than spending money in hot wallets. Cold wallets store your keys completely offline. The most popular are hardware wallets. They look like USB drives, but they're actually specialized computers that never connect to the internet. When you want to send crypto, you connect it temporarily, approve the transaction by physically pressing a button on the device, then disconnect it. It's like having your keys in a physical safe, much harder for hackers to reach. The trade-off, less convenient for daily use, and they cost money, usually $50 to $200. But for storing serious amounts of crypto long-term, they're essential. So how do you actually use this information? Here's what smart crypto users do. Hot wallet strategy. Keep maybe $100 to $500 worth of crypto in a hot wallet for daily use, buying coffee with Bitcoin, minting NFTs, or trading small amounts. Think of it as your crypto checking account. Cold wallet strategy. Everything else, your long-term investments, your retirement crypto, goes in cold storage. This is your crypto savings account. But here's where it gets exciting. Modern wallets aren't just storage. They're your gateway to an entire financial system. Through your wallet, you can lend crypto and earn interest, trade directly with other people worldwide, buy digital art, even play games where you actually own your characters and items. Imagine sending money to someone in Japan in 30 seconds for pennies in fees, or earning 5% interest on your savings without asking a bank's permission. That's the power crypto wallets unlock. The future is getting wild. We're seeing wallets with AI that can detect scams before you fall for them, biometric security that uses your fingerprint or face, and something called social recovery, where trusted friends can help you recover access if you lose your keys. Soon, you'll have one wallet that works seamlessly across every blockchain: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all in one place. We're talking about true financial superpowers in your pocket. Here's your homework. If you're just starting, download a reputable hot wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet and experiment with small amounts. Once you're comfortable and have larger holdings, invest in a hardware wallet. Remember, in crypto, knowledge isn't just power, it's literally money. One mistake can cost you everything, but understanding these basics puts you ahead of 90% of people out there. Next week, I'm breaking down the biggest crypto wallet mistakes that cost people millions, including the one mistake that even experienced users make. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and let me know in the comments. Are you team hot wallet or cold wallet for your strategy?